Good morning, children. And today we'll be starting with our next topic, introducing numbers up to 8 digits. And before going into that, we'll be first revising the numbers up to 5 digits that we have studied. Okay. Now, starting with the smallest one-digit number, that is 9. Sorry, starting with the largest one-digit number, that is 9. And if we add 1 to it, it becomes 10. Now, the largest two-digit number will be 99, and if we add 1 to it becomes 100, which is your smallest three-digit number. Similarly, if we find the largest three-digit number, it will be 999, and if we add 1 to it, it becomes 1000. Okay, now the largest four-digit number will be 9999, and if we add 1 to it, it will become 9999 plus 1 will become 10,000, children. And how many zeros are there in 10,000? 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, largest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 five-digit number will be 99,999. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. And if we add 1 to it, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here are 5 digits, and here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more zero. It will become 6-digit number. So what is the smallest 6-digit number? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 1 lakh is your smallest 6-digit number. So children, 99,999 plus 1 gives us 1 lakh. And 1 lakh is what? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 1 lakh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The smallest 6-digit number. Now, if we want to find the smallest 7-digit number, how will we do it? Yes, we will add 1 to the largest 6-digit number. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be the greatest 6-digit number? 9 lakh, 99,999. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 lakh 99,999. And if we add 1 to it, it will become 10 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this here will be 7 digits. In this we had how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. In this we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So 10 lakh is your smallest 7-digit number. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now after 10 lakhs, we need to go to the 8-digit number. So what would be the largest 7-digit number? It will be 99 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 99 lakh, 99,999. And if we add 1 to it, it will become a 7. It was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-digit number, and if we add 1 to it, it will become a 8-digit number. What will be the 8-digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is your 1 crore, and this is your 1 lakh, and this was your 1 lakh, and this was your 10 lakhs. So what are we doing here? We are adding the greatest word digit number, and 1 we get the smallest 2-digit number. Similarly, greatest 2-digit number plus 1, smallest 3-digit number. Here, greatest 4-digit number 1, greatest 5-digit number. smallest 5-digit number. Greatest 5-digit number plus 1, smallest 6-digit number. Hmm? Greatest 6-digit number, greatest 6-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, we are getting 10 lakh, which is the smallest 7-digit number. Now after that, we found out the largest 7-digit number. We add 1 to it, it becomes the greatest 8-digit number, and this is your 1 crore. And how many zeros are there in 1 crore? 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 1 crore, we have 7 zeros. Now, if you want to go higher than 1 crore, matlab, this was just an 8-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-digit number. If you want to go to a 9-digit number, then what will we do? Firstly, we'll find the greatest 7-digit number. That will be 99 crore, 9 crore, 99,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 99 crore, 99,999. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 9 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. And if we add 1 to it, it will become a, how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It will become a 9-digit number. 1 followed by 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is your ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is your 9-digit number. So in 1 lakh, 1 followed by 5 zeros, 10 lakh, 1 followed by 6 zeros, 1 crore, 1 followed by 7 zeros, 10 crore, 1 followed by 8 zeros, children. So this is your 2-digit number, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5, 6-digit, 7-digit, 8-digit, and 9-digit number. I suppose this is clear to you. Now, children, the next topic that we are starting with are periods, and we use periods. Basically, we divide a number into groups called periods, and we express a number in two systems. First is the Indian system, and other one is the international system of numeration. And every number is divided into groups, and those groups are called periods. So in Indian starting from the right, the groups are called ones or units, then thousands, then lakhs, then crores, and then Arabs. Now, let us look into further in this topic. Now, if I had a number, suppose 9999999. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let us add one more digit. So this number will be ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is your 9 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. So children, these three numbers are called ones or units. Now, these two ones, then we come to thousand. These are your ones, then we have thousands. This is your 1,000 and this is your 10,000. After this, these two numbers are called lakhs, 9 lakh, and with this it will be called 99 lakhs. So this is your lakh, है ना? Tens, ones, tens, 100, or these are also called ones or units. Then we have thousand, then we have lakhs, and after this we have, children, crores. And if we add one more 9 here, this will become 99 crore. Okay, and so the first group is divided into three parts: ones, tens, hundred. The next group is of two digits, that will be thousand, 10,000. The next group again two digits, lakhs, 10 lakhs. After this, two digits will be crores. This one will be crores, and this will be 10 crore. And if we add one more 9 here, then this number will become how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this 10 digit number will be your 9 Arab. So this will be your Arabs. And if we add one more 9 here, it will become 99 Arabs, 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999 children. So this is your Arabs, and this number will be your 10 Arabs. So if we express this same some other number which is of 10 Arabs, that will be, how many digits are here in this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 followed by 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these three zeros are called ones period. These two zeros are called thousand. These two zeros are called lakhs. These two zeros are called crores. And these two are called Arabs. Okay, children. So this number is what? Basically, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, Arab, 10 Arabs. So this number is your 10 Arabs. So how many digits are here in this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 digits are in this number, and 1 is followed by 10 zeros. And how we split a group? The first three digits are your ones, the next two digits is your thousands, 1,000, 10,000. The next two digits is your lakhs, lakh, 10 lakh. The next two digits is your crores, crore, 10 crore. The next two digits is your Arabs, one Arab, and then again we have 10 Arabs. So if you will be writing this number, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so these three will be separated with a comma. They are telling these are ones period. These two are again separated with a comma. Thousands period. These two zeros are again separated with a comma. Lakhs period. These two are again separated with a comma. Crores period. And these two are your Arabs period. Okay, children. Let us take some examples. Suppose I have a number 6937. So these three is your ones period. So ones, tens, 100,000, it will be 6,937. If I look at some other number 3, 5, 8, 6, 9, these three numbers, first three digits from moving right to left. This is your ones or units period, and this is your thousands period. So 35,869. If you look at some other number, that is 84721 6. So this is your thousands period, this is your no, this is your ones period, this is your thousands period, this is your lakhs period. So 8,47,216. Other number 4628350. First, just simply put a comma after three digits, then after every two digits put a comma. Okay, so 350 ones a unit, 28 it will come in thousands, and this 46 will come in lakhs. So 46,000, 28,350. Now next number, children, 69235. 4017. The simple trick is this, children. Just after 3 digits, put a comma. And now after putting this comma, after 3 digits, put a comma after every 2 digits, and it will automatically divide itself into the periods. How? This will be your thousands, this will be your hundreds, then thousands, then lakhs, then this time we have crores. So 6 crore 92 lakh 34,000 and 17. 6 crore 92 lakh 34,000 and 17. Now one more example, children. 7 2 5 8 9 6 3 4 1. 3 digits, 2 2. 72 crore 58 lakh 96,000 and 341. Children, after this, one more example. Okay, a comma after 3 zeros, 2 2 2. So this will be your 1 Arab 74. This is your lakh period. 74 lakh 62,408. 1 lakh 74, 1 Arab 74 lakh 62,408. And the last example that we'll be looking, 2 6 5 0 7 8 0 0 0 3 9. A comma after 3 zeros, and after every 2 zeros. So this will be 26 crore 26 Arabs 50 crores 78 lakh and 39. So 26 Arab 50 crore 78 lakh 39. I suppose this number system up to 8 digits with periods is clear to you. Now children, the next topic that we have is place value and face value of a number. And simply children, place value and face value of number is, suppose I have a number. Now how will we express this in the form of periods? 1 2 3, a comma after 3 digits, then we have 69. This number is originally 69,800 875. Now if I ask you the face value of 5, it will be 5, the value of the number, है ना? So what will be the face value of 5? 5. Face value of 8, 8. Face value of 7, 7. Face value of 9 will be 9. Face value of 6 will be 6. These are the face values, the actual value of that number. But if you are talking about place value, children, then things change drastically. What happens here? 6 here. What will be the place value of 6? It will be ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So the place value of 6 will be 60,000. Okay. What will be the place value of 9 here, children? It will be 9,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 9 into 1000. 9,000. 8. What will the place value of 8? Ones, tens, 100. 8 into 100. Those 8 into 100. 800. What will the place value of 7? 7 into 10. 70. And what about 5? 5 into 1. 5. So this was a 5-digit number. If you take a number larger than 5 digits, 9, 7, 6, 2, 3, 4. So the face value of every number will be its own value. But if I ask you the place value of 9, so it will be 9 into ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 9 into 1 lakh. So it will be simply 9 lakh. Huh? If I ask you the place value of 7, 7 ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 7 into 10,000, it will be basically simply 70,000. Place value of 2, 2 into 100, 200. Place value of 3, 3 into 10, 30. Place value of 4, 4 ones are 4. So it is that simple, children, place value and face value. And children, after this we have, so children, we'll be looking at expanded form of a number. So children, firstly we'll consider an example, and expanded form of a number is very simple. It is simply, let us take an example, 5733028. Simply we will be multiplying the digit with its place value. Here the place value of 5 will be ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 5 into 1 lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So it will be 5. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 5 lakh. Now 7 into ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 7 into 10,000, 70,000. Now 3 into 1, 2, 3, ones, tens, 100,000, 1,000, 3,000. Now 0, 0 has no value if you multiply 0 with any other number. But what will be the place value of 0 here? Ones, tens, 100. So the place value of 0 here is 100. What about 2? 2 into 10. It will be 20. And what about 8? 8 into 1. 8. And if we add all these, then it will again give us 5733028. So expanded form of a number, children, is when we multiply the face value of the number with the place value, we get the expanded form, and we write it for every digit, and if we add all of them again, we get our original number, children. Children, we can look at some more examples for expanded form number. For example, if I number 25693. So how will I write this in its expanded form? 2 into ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 2 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 3. So what is the expanded form of 25693? 2 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 3, children. So if we add all these again, then we again get 25693. Okay, children. In the next class, children, we will be discussing the international system of numeration and be putting an end to this chapter. Thank you, class.